you guys. So we're here in Genting Dream Cruise Liner. Yeah, for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Now it's Friday, and we'll be coming back to Singapore on Sunday morning. Show you guys. Not bad. What else? Mirror, obviously. Okay. Go to the departed Singapore yet, so that's Singapore. Marina Bay. This side is Marina Bay. So yeah. So just now I did a room tour, and yeah, that's it for this room. Nothing really special, but it's very comfortable. These are comfy bed. Ouch. And good morning. So our second day. So let's see the view here. Wow, wow, wow. So it's here. It's I feel like jumping here, but of course I don't know how to swim. I just feel like jumping, but okay. Okay, it's a lovely day, and I just woke up and
let's go and find some activities for today.
Hello guys, what's up? And time check is 5 p.m. now, and we're having a snack here in their 24-hour snack counter. After an hour will be a dinner. So basically, if you're as lazy as us at this time, we'll just keep on sleeping and eating and sleeping and eating here. What can you say? Of course, you can't say anything. You don't know how to say. Hello. I think this guy doesn't talk. He only know how to smile, but he doesn't talk. Okay. Anyway, this is the view right here outside. It's the Bintan Island. dinner at their Chinese restaurant. So there all the people are queuing. Yeah. So that's how is it. Bye. See you later. We have jacuzzi. And here's us. Lazy. But there's another more. I don't think we can go up. Yeah, it's not allowed to go up anymore. So this is it. This is it. Okay, we just had our dinner. From 5 p.m. we had our snacks, and 6:30 we had our dinner at deck 7 Chinese restaurant. And after that, around 7:30 we went up to the west deck 16 for the western buffet one. So another full. And now we're just back in the room, and I feel lazy. I'm just feeling so full. So maybe in a while tour you at night time. You will be watching some show later, so I just want to rest first because I'm really very full. And then we'll check out Zouk tonight. So we're going down. Hello! Hoy! You see this guy, he doesn't even talk. Can you say a word? Okay, he doesn't talk so much. He doesn't even say a word. So forget him. And these are the lounges. Sit here and watch. No. Currently my okay. They have some activities here. Oh my god, I feel like trying it. Ta-da! You see, you will never run out of activity here. We finally found the zipline activities here. They're all filling up. And so they're very strict. You must wear a sports shoe and shorts or something. And I'm wearing pretty loose pants. Yeah, you can't see, but I'm wearing loose pants. So it is still not allowed. So that's it. Mini golf. Mini golf. Do this. Mini golf, table tennis. Even the rock climbing I also can't do because of my outfit and they want sports shoe again. Okay, now I have a plan. Let's play chess. You know how to play chess? Ayo! Chess, chess, chess. Let's play chess. Okay, we're going back to the room perhaps. Because I can't do anything here in the sports activity center. Because I'm not wearing any sporty attire. So here in the sports activity counter, they're like cinema, theater, just down there. The view just now. They have Zouk nightclub on this floor as well. What else? I think we're just pretty much waiting to eat dinner. So I think that's it.